first time I felt I've received a complete eye checkup.
Ophthalmology is no longer a single specialty. It is a combination of 7 different subspecialties. We have brought all these different subspecialties under one umbrella so that our patients can get best of eye care.
I had diabetes for many years, but I never knew the diabetes could affect my eyesight so badly.
Retina evaluation is mandatory for all the people who have diabetes, blood pressure, who have high power of glasses, and all the people more than 50 years of age. The retina department at AEHI is fully equipped with retinal photograph, retinal angiogram, OCT and retinal laser, which allows us to treat all the retinal diseases effectively.
My son had frequent headaches. Now we have come to know the cause, and it's treatable so simply by using spectacles.
30% of India's population is kids, and they are our future. Our research has revealed that 20% of the school kids have eye problems. At AEHI, it is our mission to create awareness and to ensure that kids enjoy a clearer and brighter future.
I had a lot of problem in reading and day-to-day working with my eyes. I was very much worried. I got my eyes thoroughly checked up, including retina, and today I am quite relaxed. There is no problem with my retina.
With advances in technology, we are able to treat many more retinal diseases such as retinal detachment, age-related macular degeneration and diabetic retinopathy with lasers, surgery and injection treatments. At AEHI, we have all the latest retinal treatment options under one roof.
Pre-basic evaluation is as important as the surgery itself to ensure long-term safety of vision.
Our team is motivated, committed and happy. Vitality sessions aimed at personal development and staff training help them focus on patient care.
AEHI operation theatres are not just brick and mortar structures. They have been designed with patient safety and full infection control in mind.
Creating awareness about eye diseases and conducting meaningful clinical research are the main goals which drive us and differentiate us.
People often neglect their eyes till it's too late.
Our community outreach programs help us diagnose and identify eye diseases early.
We have created an environment of well-being at AEHI. We love our employees and we know that they will always do their best for every patient.
We are AEHI and we care for your eyes. At AEHI, feel better, heal better.